Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about defects of vision and their corrections. So for better understanding, I have taken here one example and the question is, a person cannot see the object beyond 3 meters distinctly. State the nature and the focal length of the lens required to correct this defect of vision. Means as per the condition given in a question, we can say the person can see the images up to 3 meters only, and beyond 3 meters that person cannot see the images. Now let's discuss the solution of the given question in today's class.
So that person cannot see the object beyond 3 meter means what? उसको दूर का नहीं दिख रहा है, right? The person cannot see the object beyond 3 meter distinctly means that person can see the objects nearby. तो कौन सा डिफेक्ट होगा ये? Which defect it will be? Myopia. In myopia, the person can see nearby objects but cannot see distant objects clearly, right? So this will be myopia. And the distance is that person cannot see object beyond 3 meter distinctly. State the nature and focal length of the lens required to correct this defect. So which lens will we use? In this condition, as a remedy, which lens can we use? Yes, the lens we can use is concave. Very good. Concave lens. We can use the lens concave lens in this problem, and therefore what will be the focal length? How will you find it? 3 meter is image distance. 3 meter is image distance. Why? Because that person can see the images up to 3 meter. So I will show you, this is the lens, eye lens, and that person can see the image up to this. Means suppose this is the image. Okay, this is the image. So person can see up to 3 meter distance images, but that person cannot see the images beyond 3 meter. So these images will not be able to see by this person. Means here we have concluded that the person is suffering from myopia, and to correct this defect, concave lens he will use, right? Up to this we have done. Now how will you find focal length? So this is what 3 meter will be image distance. That will be image distance 3 meter. You can convert it into centimeter. I will write here image distance is given, and in concave lens we know the image distance is always negative meter, minus 3 meter. Image distance will always negative as the image is inverted. Real image is formed, and in this case always the image is real. Why in this case the image is real? Because the image is forming on screen. Screen क्या है? Screen is retina. Human eye का screen कौन सा होता है? Retina. तो retina पे image आता है. The image which always form on the screen, it's said to be real and inverted image. और image inverted होने की वजह से we are taking image distance as minus 3 meter. Okay, so here we have image distance. What about object distance? Object distance in this case you will consider as infinity. Infinity because दूर का नहीं दिख रहा है उसको, right? So I will write here u is equal to infinity. So in this case always you will take the object distance as infinity, because object we don't know where it is, only we are aware about it that that person cannot see the images beyond 3 meter. 3 meter के दूर वाला उसको कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, तो up to infinity we will consider, right? So here you will take u, that means object distance is infinity, and since the object will always be in front of the lens, right? Object will always be in front of the lens, u will take it negative. So u is equal to infinity meter. And now here in this case we need to find f. So we have image, we have lens formula. We will use a lens formula. By lens formula you will write there 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. This is the lens formula, and now we will use all the values, both the values in the formula. As we know, v is minus 3 and u is infinity, so I am going to substitute there. Okay, minus 3 meter is the right answer. Very good, Bhakti. Yes. So 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v, and v is minus 3. I'm going to write here minus 3, minus 1 upon u is minus infinity. Minus infinity. So minus minus will become plus. Here I'm going to do minus minus will become plus. You can write here directly plus 1 upon infinity. So can you tell me what is the value of 1 upon infinity? 1 upon infinity का value क्या होना चाहिए? Infinity is the reciprocal of 0. I will show you here. 1 is 1, 0 is 0, but when you will write 1 upon infinity, you cannot define this. You cannot define this, and that time we put dash. Dash means infinity. Dash means infinity. These all things we have learned in trigonometry, right? So if 1 upon 0 is infinity, then what will be 1 upon infinity? Just consider reciprocals of both. दोनों के reciprocals consider करने हैं आपको. Reciprocal of this is 1 upon infinity, and reciprocal of this is 0. Are you getting my point? So 1 upon infinity means how much? 0. 1 upon infinity means 0. Yes. So the same value of 1 upon infinity we are going to substitute here, as 1 upon infinity is 0. So 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon minus 3. Yes, I will repeat again. So 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon minus 3. Because that is the 0. I am going to write here this value is 0. Now we will take reciprocals of both the numbers, and after taking reciprocals you will get value of f. So what it will be? F is equal to minus 3 meter. Minus 3 meter. So in this case the required value of focal length is minus 3 meter. The required value of focal length is minus 3 meter. Okay, let me explain again in short. The question was about the person cannot see the objects beyond 3 meter distinctly. If that person is not able to see the objects beyond 3 meter, means that that person can see images up to 3 meter. So we have taken image distance as 3 meter. And since the lens is concave because the defect is myopia. The lens is concave, so we know the image is always inverted and real. So we have taken negative इमेज डिस्टेंस दैट इज -3. ये सारी चीजें आपको समझनी चाहिए. हाँ, ये आपका ये है कंक्लूजन है. इट विल नॉट बी गिवन इन क्वेश्चन. So this is -3, and as the person cannot see distant objects, so you will take u as an infinity. We have used lens formula, substitution, and then finally we have got the answer. F is equal to -3 meter, means focal length we have get -3 meter. So you will write as a conclusion, you will write according to the sign of given focal length. Please write there, according to the sign of given focal length, the lens is diverging in nature. The lens is diverging in nature. Diverging lens means what? Diverging lens means concave. The lens is diverging in nature means it is the concave lens. Means it is the concave lens. Right? Means here as an answer we have mentioned the defect is myopia. Defect is myopia. The lens used is concave lens. The lens used is concave lens. And the third we have found focal length. The value of focal length is how much it is? -3 meter. -3 meter. Yes, the value of focal length is -3 meter. These three we have written as an answer.